Here's how to restore your Snapchat streak. Now, if you're on Snapchat and you've been snapping with somebody back and forth every 24 hours for a long time, you build up a substantial streak. But if you lost it and you want to get that snap streak back, I'm going to show you two different options to get it back. Now, let's hop into Snapchat and tap on the messages at the bottom left. Now you can see I don't necessarily have any snap streaks on here, but I'm going to walk you through the steps and the process to get it back if you lost it. Now, the cool thing is that on the Snapchat support page, it says, I lost my snap streak. How do I restore it? Now, you used to have to basically email or message support, then they'd look into it, and a few days later, they would restore it. However, Snapchat changed that whole process. They made it a bit easier, but it does cost money after the first one. So it says basically our support team will not be able to restore your streak. But if you do want to restore it, all you have to do is open the app, go to your chat feed, and you'll see this little fire icon. And basically that means you can restore your snap streak. And it does say if you go, where is it? It says on here somewhere that basically they will do it. There it is. They'll restore it one time for free. And then after that, you have to have an in-app purchase. So if you lost your snap streak, all you have to do is tap that little fire and basically it'll allow you to restore it for the first time. Now, if you lose your snap streak again, then every single time after that, you'll have to pay 99 cents to be able to restore it. Another way that Snapchat is just trying to make some money in addition to advertising. Basically, you have to pay for the ability to restore that snap streak. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.